Hey, my name is Luba and this is Reactor Project. In this video I will share my own grocery shopping tips, and please watch this video till the end as I have a gift for you. The tip number 1: never go to the supermarket on an empty stomach. So when you're going to grocery store, if you're hungry, you will be likely to buy more and more products than you need. That's why please make sure you will have a snack or a proper meal before you're going to a grocery store. This is the tip number 1, and it will prevent you from buying a lot of unnecessary stuff. Tip number 2: always go with a list of products you need to buy. Double points if you have already a meal plan together with you. So for example, if there is no product of specific product in the store, you may just need to replace it, and you will know where you need to eat it. So it will be easy for you to know how you can replace and with which product you can replace. So before going to the shop, please check your meal plan. I hope you have one from me, or if not, please just go to take our online consultation and we can make a nutrition plan for you. So if you have a plan and you have already a shopping list, make sure to grab it with you, so you will just shop with all these products listed and you will not buy anything else. Tip number 3: when you are going to any veggies or fruit part of the supermarket, make sure you will buy the fruits which are in season. Most likely all the fruits and veggies will have more nutrients and will be more healthy for you to buy. So please buy the strawberries when it is strawberry season, and pumpkins when it is pumpkin season, and not vice versa. Otherwise you may just find frozen ones with less nutrients than seasoned fruits or veggies has. Tip number 4: when you're shopping for veggies and fruits, please stick to the parameter to look for the fresher foods, as sometimes if it is a small grocery store, they always put not that much fresh fruits and veggies closer to the entrance, so the people will grab them first. But you're a smart one, so you need to go just a bit deeper in the store and look for the fresher fruits and veggies. So make sure they will be stored less time than unfresh food do, and you will get better fruits and veggies, you will get fresher food. Tip number 1: try one new veggies or fruits each week. Sometimes if you have a very common food every day, you want to try something new, and this new can be new veggies or fruits. If you will try a lot of fruits and veggies in 1 week all at once, there can be difficulties, yes, because you can try something and first you won't like it, and the second one your GAT just can't accept this fruit or veggies. So just be smart and select one new veggie or fruit each week, and this will help to make your nutrition tastier and of course healthy. When you choose any other products which has labels, please make sure you will read the label. We have a new video about the labels, so you can learn how you should exactly do this, but make sure that all the nutrients are on the label, and you make sure that the ingredients of this product already meets your needs of this specific product. Tip number 7: please replace all fast starches with whole grains. It means If you use my previous tip, you need to read the label, and on the label you will see whether it's just oats or this is whole grain oats. So make sure you will not buy raffinated rice, you will buy brown rice or wild rice, and it will make your nutrition more delicious and also more healthier. If you like meat, I would recommend you to try replace it with a fish. It's very strange tip number 8, but make fish or seafood your friend. They may contain good fats, but also just a reminder that frozen fish, frozen seafood won't be healthy for you at all. So if you're just sure that this salmon, for example, or this fish is imported and is fresh and it should has healthy fats for you, it will be more healthier than eating red meat or white meat. So fish is an alternative for any kind of meat, and I would recommend you to make the fish one of your friends. These were my 8 grocery shopping tips, and I hope you like it. I have a gift for you. Thank you for watching this video till the end. So under this video I have a link where you can download my grocery shopping tips list. It's a document which you can just download to your phone, and once you're going to the shop you will always have this pic with you, and you can just stick to these tips and do not miss any of them. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel to get more results, to get more life hacks from me, and I love you so much. So see you in the next videos.